In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy a USDT address on Binance in just a few simple steps. Whether you're trying to transfer funds to another wallet, receive USDT from someone else, or simply want to manage your crypto assets more efficiently, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know with confidence. First, open your Binance app or visit the Binance website and go to your account dashboard. Once you're there, make sure you're fully logged in and take a quick moment to check for any security alerts or updates. Keeping your account secure is extremely important when dealing with cryptocurrency, so don't rush this part. Next, head over to the section labeled Assets or Wallet. This is where you'll see a complete overview of all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold. Inside this section, look for the option called Add Funds or Deposit. Make sure to follow along carefully here because this is the area where Binance generates your wallet addresses. Now, click on the Deposit option and you'll be asked to select a cryptocurrency. From the list, choose USDT. USDT, also known as Tether, is a popular stablecoin that's widely used for trading and transfers, so selecting the correct asset is crucial. Once USDT is selected, Binance will prompt you to choose a network for the deposit. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you select the same network as the platform or wallet you're sending USDT from. Double-check whether you're using TRC20, ERC20, or another supported network, and never rush this step. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent costly mistakes or lost funds. Once you've selected the correct network, Binance will display your USDT deposit address on the screen. After that, simply tap or click on the copy icon next to the address. This ensures the entire address is copied accurately without missing any characters, which is very important for successful transfers. After copying the address, you should be able to paste it wherever you need it, whether that's another exchange, a wallet app, or a payment form, without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check the first and last few characters of the address before using it. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your funds safe. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to copy your USDT address on Binance easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with crypto transfers. Why not make someone's trading day easier?